Hey everyone, welcome to another one of my videos covering the Hansshow Premium Audio Upgrade version E for the Tesla Model 3 SR Plus. After going through multiple files with Hansshow and swapping a cable based on their recommendations, my face was almost blown off from the bass. Check out my reaction here.
Whoa!
I realize that all those wires may be intimidating. Your mileage may vary on this modification as well to the system. All I did was cut the purple wire to reverse the cables at the sub there. Hansshow was telling me that this makes for a stronger signal to the sub. To me, this just seems like reversing the polarity, but I'm just a DIY guy. What do I know? And this solution made me happy. As you can see here, I was a little hesitant to cut the cable, but then I was like, this is just a speaker wire, so this shouldn't be a big deal. Anyways, I'll run you through a quick audio tour. If you're on your phone right now, you might want to switch to headphones. All that's left now is just to do a little bit of tweaking to the sub to even out the bass, but overall, things are working well. So thanks for watching. If this video or any of my other videos helped, please click on the link above to Handshow's website and use the code MARSR to get yourself a discount. They're always running all sorts of promos, and right now it's Black Friday, so right now you'll get a better discount than the normal 5% that this code will get you. Thanks again for stopping in.